Now I will design the bottom side of this text screen. So let's select the background. And from the toolbox, select this rectangle. Let's select this corner and make sure it's 197 in height. 197. Okay, leave it. 197. And for the width, let's make it 800. Select the move tool. Let's move it here. And we did it because let's press the U. Since we have to give this a stroke or a border color, so if we don't increase the width size, then these two sides, left and right side, would have a black color line. We don't want that, so we just increase the size. Now let's go to Properties. From there, change the color to complete white. Okay, change the border color to black. Let's select the gray, select the Move tool. And now we have this kind of stroke. Now let's place some text here. Type a message. So let's select the T and type here. Type a type a message and press Command plus Enter. Select the Move tool and bring it here. Press the down arrow key a few times. Go to the character panel. Make sure it's Helvetica regular. Size is 40 and the color is 747474. Click OK. Now let's decrease this text layer opacity by sliding it to 40. So this type image text layer opacity is 40. Now we put some icons here like text, image, GIF, smiley, like, and the add-on. So to do that, we have to bring in 6 or 7 guidelines. Before doing that, we have to clear our guidelines here. We have these 2 guidelines. Go to the View menu. From there, select Clear Guides. So all the guides from this canvas, from this document, would be clear. Let's go to View menu. From there, select New Guide Layout. From there, turn off this margin, turn on this column. Make sure gutter is 0 and number is 8. Click OK. So we have now 8 different guides. Let's zoom in. And now let's select this T and type here. A, capital A, little a. And press Command Enter in order to accept it. Make sure it's Helvetica regular. Size is 40 and the color is A8, A8, A8. Click OK. Let's increase the size of this text to 47. Select the Move tool and let's zoom in. And place this text to here. Okay, now let's go to our folder and bring this camera icon. Let's convert to a smart object. Bring it to here. Place it. It's here. Now move it. Press Ctrl or Command T in order to resize it. Press Shift and Alt together. Okay. Let's zoom in. Press OK. So we have now this camera icon. Let's bring a guide. Let's bring this image icon. Bring it here. We have to colorize this icon. So let's select this AA, this one. Go to the character panel, select this color and copy this color hex code, which is A8, A8, A8. Now select this layer, the one we have to colorize, this one, and go to the FX menu, select Color Overlay. From the color, replace this color code A8, A8, A8. Click OK. Click OK. And now Control or Command plus T and resize this image. We have to make it almost the exact same size as this camera. So let's resize it again. Almost the same. Click OK. Press the left arrow key a few times and down arrow key. Now let's bring in the smiley icon. Bring the smiley icon to Photoshop. And let's colorize it here. FX menu, color overlay. Color is A8, A8, A8. Click OK. Convert to Smart Object. And place it in our working document, which is here. Drag it down. Press the space bar and move the document up a little bit. Release it. Make sure the smiley icon is selected from the layer panel, and press Control or Command T. Let's place it here and resize it. Zoom in. Select OK. Make sure it's almost the same size of this camera icon. So it's almost the same size as the camera icon. Now let's place it here. Press the right arrow key a few times. Let's bring the GIF icon, GIF. Let's bring this GIF icon to Photoshop and make sure it has the same color code. With the color overlay A8, 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 okay. Convert to the Smart Object and bring it to our main document. It's dropped here. So it's already selected, so bring it down here. So I think it has the exact same size. Yes, correct. Place it in the middle. Make sure it's centered. Let's decrease the size a little bit. Click OK. Make sure it's centered in the grid line. Perfect. Now let's bring the add-on icon, which is this one, which is for the many other add-ons inside the Facebook Messenger. So let's bring this one. And make sure this also has the same color. FX menu, color overlay. I think it's the same code. Yes, A8, A8, A8. Okay, okay. Convert to a Smart Object and place it in our working document. Make it the same size. And at last, bring the like icon. So let's bring this like icon. And let's colorize this one with the blue color. Color overlay. Color, select this blue. Hex code 0084FF. Okay, okay. Convert to a smart object. Select the move tool and bring it to our working document. Let's zoom in. Press Ctrl T in order to make it smaller. Let's zoom in again. Make sure it's the same size as the other icons. Okay, fine. Click OK. Now let's place this icon here. And press Command +0. Press Control or Command plus semicolon in order to hide all the other guidelines. Now let's rearrange these icons. Let's select this one, AA. Select the camera. Select the image icon and press the left arrow key. Move it a few pixels. Select the smiley. Move it a few pixels to the left. Select the GIF. Move it a few pixels left. Select this one. Move it a few pixels left. Select this one. Select this one. Select this one, the like. Okay, perfect. This is a duplicate. Let's delete this. So let's press Control or Command +0 and Control or Command plus semicolon. And we have our icons organized very well. So this is how the Facebook Messenger chat screen looks. So that's it. And next we will design the profile screen of the Facebook Messenger. Thank you.